Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 70, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the phone. Now to get started, you'll want to open up your dialer application, so this one with the phone icon, and navigate to your contacts. As you can see, I already have several contacts in here. It shouldn't really matter. So from here, I'm going to click on the three dots, select Settings, and in here you'll find Import Export. Once you press on it, you can then select Import from SIM, and this will automatically show you all the contacts that are on your SIM card. As you can see, I don't have very many, but it obviously won't matter. You can manually select ones that you want, or you can quickly select all of them right here. Now if you have like hundreds of contacts and you just want, for instance, most of them but not all, you could utilize the select all and then deselect some of them that you don't want. And once you are ready, you can select import. From here you can choose where you will import the contacts to. You have two options, or at least I do. One that everyone will see is the phone, and then the other one is the Google account if you are logged in. If you're not, it will not show up and phone will be the only option. So select whichever one you want. I'm gonna choose phone, and that's it. It's already been imported, and if we go back, we should see some contacts. Yep, there we go, additional contacts right here. Now it is duplicating them. As you can see, we have infoline like 4 times. Infoline on the SIM card was twice, and then on it's now twice on a phone as well. That's why we have 4 of the same contacts. And if I take out the SIM card, it will disappear with these contacts, with this tiny little icon right here. These are the contacts that are on a SIM card. So just to kind of demonstrate this quickly. Where are you going? Stop. So there we go, you can see they're still here. It did lock the device for some reason, but you just seen them disappear. Now it keeps the contacts that you had on your SIM card, as you can see, or that we imported from the SIM card. So there we go. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.